Hello and welcome to this episode of Cooking with Celebrate. This edition we bring you our holiday recipe. We will be making no-bake peppermint protein balls. Come join us. The ingredients are 2 tablespoons crushed candy canes, 2 tablespoons cacao nibs, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt or any salt, 1/4 cup unflavored protein powder, 1/4 cup sun butter or any type of nut butter, 1/2 teaspoon peppermint extract, 10 tablespoons cacao powder, 6 tablespoons maple syrup. So today's episode is a super quick, easy recipe that you can make in time for the holidays if you celebrate. Our spotlight ingredient is peppermint. Peppermint is loaded with nutrients, niacin, phosphorus, zinc. It's great at helping with any IBS symptoms like stomach upset, bloating, but it also has a main ingredient called methyl, a main compound, and this compound has great anti-inflammatory properties to it. So it's a great ingredient to have and a very easy recipe to make. So we are going to start by combining most of our ingredients into a bowl and then mixing them. So we'll add our cocoa powder. We will add our unflavored protein powder. We will do 6 tablespoons of maple syrup. We will add our nut butter. Now if your nut butter is more runny, you will not need to add water. Depending on how runny it is, you might need to add 2 tablespoons of water as you're mixing, but if it's a runny nut butter, you'll be fine. You will not need to use it. We will then do 1/2 teaspoon of the peppermint extract, and then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next, we will mix these ingredients together. So as you can see, this is still very much a dry batter, so we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water and continue mixing. Here we go, much better. Next you'll add 2 tablespoons of your cacao nibs and then you'll continue to mix. So after you're finished mixing the ingredients, depending on how liquidy the mixture is, which is all determined by the nut butter and the amount of water that you add, you could take your batter and chill it in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes just until it hardens. Then once it hardens, you'll take it out and you can make approximately 10 balls that we're going to roll in our hands, but really it could be whatever size you want them to be. But this recipe will make about 10 of those. So you'll just grab a little bit of the mixture, just kind of form it into a ball, roll it, really simple and easy. Perfect ball size. And then with your candy cane or any topping that you really want to use, I'm using candy cane festive for the holiday season. You could roll it right in it and you'll get some candy cane on it. So we'll just continue rolling. At least you know they're homemade. They're different sizes. So as you can see, a super easy and delicious recipe, great alternative to brownie bites that we might have at some of our holiday parties. Lower calorie, that great peppermint extract and the health benefits, but definitely will be a crowd pleaser. I hope you enjoy your holidays and we'll see you in the new year.